very early for me. See if I can't get myself motivated to pull an engine out of my car. Laying in bed, not being able to sleep. That's all I wanted to do. When you actually get up, it's another story. Queso's ready. I have to poop. Alright, this motor's coming out, guys. Zach's here, Frank's here. Got Frank messing with the clutch right now. Zach's doing the water pump. And I'm about to tackle the oil cooler lines down there. Actually, I should probably drain the oil first. Yeah. Engine's out. We're gonna pull this oil pan off. I'm gonna keep that. Yeah, I want to see the damage, so we'll see what's up. Zach's excited. Look how excited Zach is.
Very excited.
I had a little exhaust leak. Boopity boop. Probably more than one. There's your problem. We'd have to take the.
Well, we're good, man. You got knees anyway, so.
Yeah, I need the pickup tube.
Pickup tube, and I'll get the window stripped.
All right, 210s. Yeah, 210 deeps. All right, guys. So we didn't find anything too crazy in here. There's a little bit of movement on these guys, but you know, no obvious signs of bearings squeezing out the sides or anything like that. Are we popping caps off?
Yeah.
Frank is curious. Frank needs to know. We're gonna pop some caps. Cappy poppy. I can't believe it's lined up right now, though.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
It's currently lined up, but at 100% spun. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. You can see the line and everything.
Yep.
So that was the one Chris said it was, but we might have another one.
There's more than one.
Dude, that doesn't feel horrible.
That's why I said you do a little backyard polishing.
They might be able to save it.
Let's pull the back two off. Because those ones had a lot of play too. They definitely better save it.
I'm getting lucky as hell.
Cam bearings.
You never know.
I mean, this motor is full of fucking metal right now, so.
Shall it properly torque your rod down?
Torque to spec.
No, that bearing ain't spinning now. You want me to pull it back one?
Yeah.
Alright. A little bit more? Good.
No, it's still in place, isn't it?
Yeah, still in place.
What about this one? Oh. Yeah, pull that one off.
Alright.
You don't want to throw this one back on first?
Yeah,
you know where it
you don't want
goes.
to get them backwards though. When you put the motor back together, you
Hold on, no.
What the fuck?
You do need to keep them because they're cracked. Like they
Yeah,
only
yeah.
match each other.
Yeah.
In fact, I think you might have like put the other ones on the wrong way.
That's what. Yeah.
But at least they're on the same piston. They can figure that out. Huh?
They know what they're doing. They'll get it.
Yeah. But so these are cracked, meaning like they fracture them or some shit like that. So the cap has to go with the rod.
Yeah, no, it has to. That's
Yeah.
yeah. Like I said, there is a direction too.
Yeah. Weird.
Didn't even,
Damn, this one feels dry.
I don't know.
Didn't spin?
I don't have.
Yeah, it's something I have to.
I don't have a bearing
You're
here.
missing the
There's no bearing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the bearing. It stayed on the crank.
I can get it off though.
Yeah, it's like. There we go.
Did it spin? Yeah, it spun.
Yep. Look.
Yep, 2 spins.
Motor go boom.
Spins when it's when that guy goes flat, yeah? That's when you can tell.
Yeah. It's not locked in place anymore. Still all there though. But that you can feel the.
There's
How's
lines
the crank
in the
feel
crank,
now?
you can feel it.
You can feel the in here
Yeah,
now.
it's grabbing the fingernail pretty good.
Yeah. Yep. It's not what you want.
No,
But it's not bad though. I mean, I would say this crank's still salvageable for sure.
they grind it. Cool. All right. Well, I think we're gonna probably end it for the day. Oh, yeah. Tune in next time. Hopefully I'll have my 5.7 back and we'll be installing that. Right, Frank?
Properly torqued.
Properly torqued. Now I gotta get JC to come pick this piece of crap up. Yeah, Frank's spec. Frank's spec is tighten it till the head snaps off.
All Frank's bolts are breakaway bolts.